friends! Look what I found! It's a story about a fast rabbit, Zoom, and a slow turtle, Step. Let's go see who wins the race. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go!
In a peaceful forest, the sun was warm and soft. The animals were playing.
Zoom, zoom, zoom! I'm the fastest in the forest.
Hello, Hare. You do look fast today. Today, tomorrow, every day!
The hare loved being fast. The tortoise loved being steady.
Tortoise, you walk so slowly. I'm just super fast. Hey, Tortoise, do you want a race?
A race?
Yes, from this forest to the top of the mountain.
I am not fast like you.
That's okay. I will still win.
The tortoise thought quietly and smiled.
All right, Hare. I will race you.
The next day, the forest animals gathered to watch.
Chirp, chirp, everyone, come look. Is it a picnic? Is it a dance? No, it's a race.
Forest friends, I'm the referee today. Simple rules. Start here and finish at the top of the mountain. No pushing, no tricks, just try. Ready, set, go! Whee!
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Step. Step.
The tortoise moved slowly, but he did not stop.
Tortoise is tiny down there. I have so much time.
Up the trail, Hare found a warm, comfy rock.
Just a tiny rest. I'm at the top! The finish is up here! Keep racing, Hare!
I'm still fastest. I can win anytime. Just 1 minute. Zzz.
Keep going. Step, step, step.
The tortoise kept walking. He did not rush, he did not quit. He just kept going.
Huh? What? Where is the tortoise?
Step, step. Almost there, Tortoise. Keep going.
Oh no, he's almost there. No nap. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Winner!
Tortoise, you won. I stopped. I forgot discipline.
It's okay, Hare. You can practice. Fast helps, but discipline is powerful. Tomorrow, I will keep going. No nap.
Hi, friends. Did you watch the race? Let's answer together. Who was fast, the hare or the tortoise? Yes, the hare. Who kept going step by step? Yes, the tortoise. Was taking a nap a good race choice? Yes or no? No, not for the race. Say it with me, keep going. Again, keep going. Tortoise steps with fingers, tap, tap, tap. Now hare hops, boing, boing, boing. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.